Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bad Breezy and I'm back with another video. And as you can tell by this title, this video will be based on how I keep my curls moisturized while color treated. So without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Before we hop right into this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything that I will be using to create this super easy DIY hair mask. And pretty much what I'll be using is 2 spoons, a wide tooth comb, 2 eggs, this Blueberry Bliss reparative hair mask, some coconut oil, some olive oil, this OGX coconut curls conditioner, and the OGX fade defying shampoo. To start off this hair mask, you'll see that I'll be cracking the 2 eggs and adding 2 tablespoons of the olive oil as well as 2 tablespoons of the Blueberry Bliss hair mask. And the reason why I use 2 of everything is simply just because I have very thick hair. And I just want to make sure I use enough products to, have full coverage or whatever. But yeah, you'll see me adding it all to the bowl and then, just whipping. And what y'all see me doing now is simply just pouring it in a cup, which I don't understand why I didn't use a cup in the first place. But LOL. Anyways, I poured it in the cup because I found it easier to mix it. But pretty much you're just going to keep mixing until you get like this watered down smoothie texture. I'm not sure how to describe it, but you'll see in the video what I'm talking about. Okay, y'all remember when I said that my hair was thick? Look, watch this, watch. Boosh. I'm weak. But yeah, this is my hair from nothing but alternate from slick backs to top knot buns, the messy buns. Like, this is nothing but a week of just alternating from, different styles. So that's why my hair looking a little rough. I ain't even gonna hold you. But yeah, I got a whole bunch of like eco gel, all that stuff just in my hair. But pretty much what I'm doing right here is I'm just sectioning my hair and detangling it. And you will see that I spray water on my hair to help detangle it better. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then I'll be using a perm brush to apply the first step of the mask. And that's pretty much what y'all just saw me make. So yeah. Okay, so after letting that sit for 15 minutes, I'm now just going to rinse my hair out. I'm not going to wash it yet, but I'm just going to rinse it out, being that I still have to put more oil in my hair. And I just don't want, so much product in my hair at one time. And now I'm just going in with 3 tablespoons of the coconut oil, which is used because it softens my hair. And I'm also going to add 2 more tablespoons of the olive oil. Preferably, I like to use the olive oil that you make dressings with because it's less thick than the one that you cook with. But yeah, that just gives my hair a shine. And now I'm just gonna, ooh, I know y'all just saw that. But pretty much I'm just putting it in the microwave like on 15-30 second intervals, just until you see it, you know, melting. But you want to keep checking on it because you want to make sure that it's completely melted. So what's going on right now is that I'm just pouring the water out of the water bottle that I had from earlier in the video. And I'm just going to fill it up with the oil that I just heated. And basically we're just preparing for a hot oil treatment right now. So what you'll be seeing, I'm just going to be making sure that I get every section of my hair with that oil. Like, long story short, just know I'm going to use every drop of oil that's in that bottle. So now I'm just going to apply my plastic cap and just sit up on the dryer and perform my little at-home hot oil treatment or whatever. But it wasn't a specific time that I stayed up under the dryer. I pretty much just stayed up under there until I was tired for real. So yeah, with that being said, while I'm sitting up under the dryer, I do want to address the main benefits of hot oil treatments. And those benefits are they increase hair strength, reduce frizz, helps prevent split ends, and also increases blood flow to the scalp. So with that being said, y'all can watch me sit up on the dryer and smash my 2 Krispy Kreme donuts. Finally, I get to wash all of this stuff out my head, y'all. But, you know, right now, I'm just doing the basic, you know, traditional hair wash with the shampoo and the conditioner. But to keep it a buck with y'all, like an honest buck with y'all, I do not like washing my hair with shampoo. Don't get me wrong. By all means, I do it. I do it. But for some reason, I don't know what it is. I don't care what brand of shampoo that I use. The shampoo can say extra, 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 hella moisture on the bottle. And for some reason, it will still dry my hair out. Like, I don't know what it is. But my basic, you know, wash day routine is pretty much every month I wash my hair with, you know, the traditional shampoo and conditioner. But I do co-wash my hair every 2 weeks. If you're not familiar with co-washing, that's pretty much just washing your hair with conditioner instead of shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, that's the reason why I only co-wash my hair every 2 weeks, and I only use shampoo and conditioner once a month because shampoo just dries my hair so bad. But yeah, you know, I'm scratching that head, I'm scratching that thing, boy, and it feel good too. I ain't even gonna hold y'all, like them long nails was hitting the spot too. But yeah, that's what's going on. And when y'all see me dump all that conditioner in my hand, just know it is necessary. I don't believe in none of that dime size nothing. No. Okay, so I don't understand how I missed my whole head, but anyways, I'm just going in with this Intense Moisture Bamboo and Coconut Milk Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. And this product is by Talia Wajid, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. And y'all, this is the truth. This is my favorite product ever. For one, it smells so good. And two, it definitely leaves my hair soft all throughout the day. Like, I can honestly say, I can tell the difference from this leave-in conditioner compared to the ones that I've used before I was introduced to this one. So, 10 out of 10. And here I'm just going in with this Tropical Moringa Daily Restorative Spray. And this product is by The Main Choice. And it is a good product. It does help define my curls. And it also smells very good. However, you have to be careful when you are applying this product. Because if you apply too much or you just don't distribute it evenly throughout your hair, period, you will create this lathered, soapy residue. And when I tell you, when that appears in your hair, it is kind of hard to get out. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, you'll notice it's like a section in the back of my head where you see that residue, and now I keep going over it and finger combing it, trying to distribute it, but it's just not going nowhere. So if you running late, you leaving out the house late, whatever the case may be, and you put this in your hair and you don't put it in there evenly, you're gonna be looking like you spot washed your hair with shampoo. So, baby, please be careful when you are applying this product. And now for my favorite but final part is the edges, baby. The edges is the key. I don't care what type of hairstyle you have. Your edges will make that hairstyle look better. Like, I don't care if you have the messiest bun and that thing ain't slick at all. As long as you put some edges on that thing, it's going to look better than what it did. Like, edges is key. So in this little video, I'm just doing the basic little swoops, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes with my styles, I be doing like the it's like the swoop with the little curl. I don't know how to explain it or describe it, but I do that with some of my styles. So I may make that a possible video idea, like a little edge tutorial for, you know, people that don't know how to do it. Because they be asking me, like, a lot of people like, oh my God, how you do that? And it's so cute, yada, yada, yada. So I think I may do a video on that. But yeah, I'm just using the basic little eco and doing my little swoops. And here's the final look, you guys. My curls is not dry, they're not crunchy, they are juicy body, But thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you ain't subscribed by now, what are you doing? But until next time, I will see you guys. Peace.